Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your Samsung Galaxy A60, let's go for the settings, then scroll down and tap on the lock screen. Right now we have to tap on the screen lock type, and we can change it from the swipe, pattern, pin, password. Also we can set the face and the fingerprints. I'm going for the pattern, so draw it, click on the continue and draw it again. Right now we can try how it works. So lock our device and try to unlock. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.